Hi students, once again welcome back. I am present here with my new video of second chapter of mathematics, chapter number 2. Title of this chapter is numbers up to 1,000. This is third part of this video. Through this video, we will discuss or we will learn about expanded form and place value chart. Okay, place value chart and expanded form. Let us start this class. Okay, suppose that expanded means expand करना means उसे विस्तार से लिखना, in हिंदी विस्तार से लिखना. अगर if any given number, how can we expand? For example, suppose that first example, first I have written 48. Okay, 48 I have written. Now first we will write this place value. First we will write the place value of this 48. Okay, how will we write? We can write place value of 8. Place value of 8 equal to 8. Place value of 8 or 8 ones. Okay. Now second thing, place value of 4. Place value of 4 is 40 or 4 tens. Okay, 4 tens. So this is a place value of 8 and this is a place value of 4. Place value of 8 is 8 or 8 ones we can write. Place value of 4 is 40 or 4 tens we can write. So this is for example. Now after this we will learn how can we find the how can we solve the given number in expanded form. How can we write given number in expanded form? First we will try to learn the expanded form of 2-digit numbers. Okay, first is 53. Expand. What is the place value of these three ones? What is the place value of these 5 tens? Okay, it means how can we expand it? How can we write in expanded form of this 53? So 53, it means what is the place value of this 5 tens? Tens means multiply by 10. So we can write in expanded form 50 plus, okay, we can write this expanded form in two different ways. We can write this expanded form in two different ways. How can we write? We can write 5 tens plus 3 ones. This is the first way. This is the first method. We can write expanded form of given numbers like this: 5 tens plus 3 ones. 5 tens means 50 plus 3 ones means 3 ones are 3. 50 plus 3, 53. Or in another way we can write, this is the first method. This is the first way. The second way we can write 50 plus 3. This is the two different way. Now one more example. 80. Okay, so how can we write? Once again we can write in two different ways. This is the first method, this is the second method. Okay, now this way. What is the place value of 8 tens? So we can write 8 tens plus, what is the place value of the 0 ones? So we can write 0 ones. Okay, this is the first method. The second method, in another way, how can we write? we can write 80. How can we write 80? 80 plus 0. Okay, this is the first method and this is the second method. So students, we can write expanded form of given digit in two different ways. First, we can write the given number with their place, and we can write in full number 50 plus split तोड़कर 50 plus 3, 8 tens or 0 ones, 80 plus 0, 80 plus 0 equal to 80. Now this is two digit number. This is the expanded form of two digit number. Now comes we will learn the expanded form of three digit number. Expanded form of three digit number. For example, I have written 4, 8, 6. First, what is the place of this 6 ones? What is the place of this 8 tens? And what is the place of this 4 what? 100. Okay. Place of 6 ones, place of 8 tens, place of 4 100. This is the place of given number, given digit. Now, how can we write in expanded form of given number? So we can write this number also in two different ways. We can write the two different way of the given number, expanded form of given number. How can we write? Okay, start. What is the place of this 400? We can write 400 plus. What is the place of this 8 tens? We can write 8 tens plus. What is the place of this 6 ones? We can write 6 ones. This is the first method. This is the first way. Now second way, how can we write 400? How can we write 400 in digit? 400. 4 tens. 4 tens means 8. 8 tens. 8 tens means what? 8 multiplied by 10. 8 tens are 80. 6 ones. Ones means what? Given number multiplied by 1. So 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. So this is another way or another method to write the expanded form of given number. This is the first method. So we can write two different way the expanded form of given number. Okay. 400, 8, 10, 6, 1. 400, how can we write this 400 in digit in number? 400, 400, 80, 80 plus 6. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, this is our. Now after this, expanded form, question. Find the expanded form, or not find the, write in expanded form में लिखना है, write in expanded form of the following. Question number 79. Question number 2. 85. Question number 3. 96. Write in expanded form of the following. इसका expanded form में लिखना है 79. How can we write? Already I told ना कि we can write this given number in expanded form in two different ways. So which way or which method easy for you all, you can use. So once again I am going to write the both way. 79. But the place of this 7 tens, ones tens, ones tens, ones tens, ones tens. But the place of this 7 tens, it means 7 tens plus 9. What is the place of this 9? 0. So we can write 9. Sorry. What is the place of this 9? Ones. O means ones. So we can write ones. This is the first method. We can write in second method 7 tens. If it means 7 tens means 7 multiplied by 10. It means 70. We can write 70 plus 9. Okay. This is two different way. Okay. Now second. 8 5. What is the place of this 8? Tens. 8. We can write 8 tens plus. What is the place of this 5? Ones. O means ones. We can write 5 ones. Okay. Now after this, how can we write this 8 tens and 5 ones in number? In digit. 8 tens means 8 multiplied by 10. 8 multiplied by 10 means 80. 8 multiplied by 10. 8 tens are 80. 80 plus 5 ones means multiply by 5 multiplied by 1. 5 ones are 5. So we can write 5. This is our answer. Okay. This is our answer. Now 96. Third number is I have written third number 96. Once again we can solve the same way. 9 6. What is the place of this 9 tens? We can write 9 tens plus. What is the place of this 6? Ones. Ones means first we will write 1. 6 ones. Now after this we can write this 9 tens, 6 ones in number. 9 tens 90. 6 ones 6. So this is our answer. Okay. So students, we have in this video we have discussed about expanded form of given number of 2 digit, given number of 3 digit. Okay. Now after this we will discuss how can we write an expanded form of 3 digit number. For example, 5 0 3 7 7 6. We can use the same way to write the expanded form of this given 3 digit number. This is, you can see that I have written 503. This is a 3 digit number. 776. 776. This is a 3 digit number. 691. This is a 3 digit number. How can we write in expanded form these 3 digit numbers? Look at here. First, ones, tens, hundred. First, before write the expanded form, first we will read the given number with their place. Ones, tens, hundred. 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 Okay. Now start from 100 place number. What is the place of this 500? We can write 500 plus. What is the place of this 10? Sorry, what is the place of the 0 tens? 0 tens. What is the place of this 3? What is the place of this 3 ones? 3 ones. Okay. So students, you can see that I have written 500, 0 tens, 3 ones. Why I have written 500? It means what is the place of 500? I have written 0 tens. Why I have written 0 tens? What is the place of 0? Tens. After this plus, I have written 3 ones. 3 ones. Why I have written 3 ones? What is the place of 3 ones? So 500 plus 0 tens plus 3 ones. This is the expanded form of this 3 given digit number. Now you can write this expanded form in full digit, full number, in full number. 500 means how can we write 5? 500 500. 0 tens when we multiply, if we multiply by any given number, multiply by 0, the result always be 0. The result always will be 0. Okay, because read the table of 0. 0 1 ja 0, 0 2 ja 0, 0 3 ja 0, 0 4 are 0, 0 5 are 0. So 0 tens means 0. Now 3 ones means 3. So this is the expanded form. This is the expanded form of this given 3-digit number. Given 3-digit number. In the same way, we can solve this another two given number of 3-digit. 7 7 6. What is the place of this 7? 100. We can write 700 plus. What is the place of this middle 7? Tens. We can write 7 tens. What is the place of this 6 ones? We will write 6 ones. Now, after this we will write 700, 7 tens, 6 ones in number. 700, how can we write 700 in number? 700, 7 tens, 70, 6 ones, 6, 700. 700 means you can write it. Okay, look at it. 700 means 7 multiplied by 100. It means what? 700. Okay, right. Okay, after this. 7 tens. 7 tens means what? Given number multiplied by 10. 7 tens are 70. I have written 70. Okay. 6 ones. 6 ones means 6 ones means what? 6 multiplied by 1. 6 1 is 6. I have written 6 1 is 6. So this is our answer. In two different ways. I have written two different ways. You can write either this way or this way. Okay. So this is last question. Last question we will solve in the same way. Okay. 6. I have written 691. I have written 691. What is the place of this 100? What is the place of this 600? So we will write 600 plus. What is the place of this 9? 10. We will write 9 10. What is the place of this 1? Ones. We will write 1 ones. Okay. After this, I have written this is number name. Okay. With their place. I have written given digit with their place. 600, 9 tens, 1 1. After this, we will write this expanded form in full number. Okay. 600 means 6 multiplied by 100. It means 600 plus 9 tens. 9 tens means 9 multiplied by 10. 9 tens are 90 plus 1 ones. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 1 ja 1. So this is answer. You can see that one more time. I have written two different ways answer. So which method is easy for you all? You can use, or with the help of this in different way tools, write the expanded form of given number of 2-digit number or 3-digit number. So students, in this video we have learned the expanded form of given digit. How can we write the expanded form of given digit? You can see that you will do the revision with the help of your book. If you have problem, you can ask.